The word income tax itself scares many freshers. Questions like, will my salary reduce? Which tax regime should I choose? Old or new? But there is a truth. Not everyone has to pay income tax. In the next 5 minutes, I will explain income tax in the simple, practical way. After this video, tax will stop feeling complicated. Hello everyone, I am Mahesh. I work in corporate finance, and on Mahiti, I explain finance concepts in a simple, practical way, especially for students and early working professionals. Let's start with the basics. What is income tax? Income tax is simply a tax paid to the government on your income. If you earn income above certain limit, you share a small part of it with the government. That is no fear, no punishment, just a rule. When does tax actually start? For salaried employees, if your annual income is below the basic exempted limit, then no tax. If income crosses that limit, tax applies as per slabs. Important point here is not everyone has to pay income tax. Now, let us know about the tax regimes. Today, India has two tax regimes. The one is old tax regime and the second one is new tax regime. You can choose either one. Let's understand them simply. The old tax regime gives you higher tax rates, but many deductions and exemptions. For example, PF, insurance, house rent, and other savings. That means more savings is equal to less tax. The new tax regime offers lower tax rates but very few deductions. This regime is very simple, no paperwork, easy for freshers with no investments. Let me simplify it. If you have good savings and investments, then old regime may be better. If you have no major savings yet, then new regime is usually better. There is no universal best opinion. The best regime depends on your situation. Now, let's see some common mistakes. Choosing regime without understanding, panicking about tax, not checking salary slip on Form 16. Remember, tax planning is personal, not one size fits all. Now, let's quickly summarize. Income tax applies only above a limit. Old regime can be opted when you have more deductions and savings. New regime is for simplicity and lower tax. Choose what suits you, not others. Tax is not scary when you understand it. If this video helped you, please like, share, subscribe to Mahiti, where knowledge simplified. Comment below old regime or new regime. Which are you using? See you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye.